Hey, good morning, guys. Mr. Gillard from the counseling office. We have a lot of really great virtual college visits coming up here at CBC, and we really want to encourage you guys to sign up. It's perfect for juniors, and it's still perfect for seniors to be attending these virtual college visits. They happen during activity period in room 123, and they've been going great. But you have to sign up in Naviance to make those happen, to get the link and to get the right reminders to be all set up with Flex Time Manager and all that stuff. So, you guys, today, tomorrow, the next day, next week, every day for the next month, check on these visits and sign up for school you want to learn more about. Okay, it's a really smart thing to do in the college process. I'm going to show you how really quickly. Watch how easy this is. You're in Naviance, and it looks the same for juniors or seniors. I'm on a juniors page right now at the moment, but if you look over to the right here and you see colleges, and you click on colleges home, and then there's all kinds of great stuff on here, but college visits is down here. You click show more and look at this list of schools. So for Friday, October 2nd, Butler, University of Alabama, Lake Forest, Missouri State, Ohio State. This is all happening Friday. We need you guys signing up for these now. You need to be signing up for them. Then next week, University of Iowa, just randomly. Wash U's coming on Thursday, October 8th. We better see some students at that one. University of Missouri, Columbia. Heard of that one. Coming on Tuesday the 13th. They'll be ready for you. Embry-Riddle, SEMO, St. John's, Xavier, Bradley. The list goes on and on and on. Villanova, University of Miami, WashU, or Rochester Institute of Technology, Illinois State, I believe. I just saw Murray State. Okay, right? There's a lot of schools on there. You know what? They're going to be lonely if you don't sign up for them. So let's get on. University of San Diego, Catholic school, beautiful, looking out over the water. Went to Christmas Eve Mass there once. Check these schools out, guys. It's a really smart thing to do. How do you sign up? You just click on the register here or sign up button. Actually, when you're in there as a real live student, there's a big button here that says sign up. Okay, and you just click that, and then you'll get the reminders you need, and we'll see you in the activity period. Guys, check this often, okay? It's a smart thing to do, and we want to see you guys down there getting involved with this stuff and taking advantage of these great opportunities that are there for you here at CBC. Have a great day.